Hey everybody, this is Joe and welcome to the first video in a series on for loops using Python. So the syntax for a for loop is as follows. You start with all lowercase for, then you have what we call, let's say, a built-in variable. It's your count variable for I in range, let's say 10, and I'm going to say print I, and then we'll stop there. Right, let me explain this one for you quickly. So we got a for loop. There's a few elements you need to be aware of. So we've got a for loop, and then we have our count variable. This is this little I. You can make that any letter, any word, doesn't really matter. That is just a built-in function for this for loop that will start a count sequence. So when it goes around, it starts at 0. It comes around 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. It just keeps going around. And then in range 10, all this means whatever I have in brackets here for now, whatever I have in brackets, it will loop 10 times. So it'll go from 0 to 9 all the way around, which is 10, because in computer science we start counting at 0 and all the way up to 9. That's 10. That's 10 numbers. Okay, so let's have a look. So for I in range 10, and I'm going to print I. So what that means is whatever the value is there, we're going to print it out here, just so you see how the loop works. So I'm going to press F5 and enter, and then it should hopefully run. It is running. So let's have a look. So you can see here, again, if I just do this, you can see that it printed all the way from 0 to 9, and you can see that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 values that it printed. Cool. So let me just close that one over there. There we go. So that is how it works. So the very simple syntax for a for loop is for I in range 10, or for j, or for k, or for whatever word you want to put in there. That's going to be a variable. And then the value, how many times you want to loop it. And then you can have any block of code, and whatever this block of code is here is what will be repeated. So whatever you put in, whoops, that's not what I wanted. Let me try that again. Anything that you want to put under here, remember you need your tab space as well, will be executed however many times you have there. So let me just go out of it. And that's how it works. That's a for loop. So in the next video, I will show you some more things that we can do with a standard for loop, and then once I've showed you that, in the videos after that, I will do some practical examples as well. But for now, this is just the basics of how a for loop works. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.